What's up guys, today I'm gonna showing you how to solve your Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds. So you're gonna do is this upper up is a white one, and then the lower down is a yellow one, of course, and then this one, your front one, it's a green one. And this side is a red one, and this other side is an orange one, and this back is a blue one. So that one, first you're gonna do is this one. Gonna do, of course, I'm not gonna say it. Just like that, and you need to see just like that. So it's look like that. It's look like a scramble one. Scramble. But yeah, let's solve it. First, I'm gonna do wait. Up, two up. And there you go, you solve it. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Now if you fast, you can solve it really fast. So you can see it's super cool and it's so easy to learn. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.